Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do the single wiper mod or Euro wiper mod or single wiper delete or whatever you want to call it. And it's relatively easy to do. I get this question quite often on my Instagram page, so I thought I'd do a quick tutorial or a guide on how to do it. First we'll have to open the hood, obviously. And one thing we'll notice, well at least on if you're doing this tutorial with a factory car, is that you'll have a wiper arm on the driver's side and a wiper arm on the passenger side. So what we'll want to do is get a 13mm socket and unbolt the two wiper arms. There will be one on here, on this spline right here, and one right there, which I still have. Once you have unbolted those, you'd have to take them out, both of them. Warning, they will be quite difficult to take out. At least for me, they were quite difficult to take out. I guess since they've been on there for like 20 years, or at least since whoever replaced the windshield cowl. Because if you remove the windshield cowl, you'll have to take them off. So, anyways, once you get that off, you can bolt those 13mm nuts. You're gonna have to use the driver's side wiper arm and put it on the passenger side. And this wiper arm you'll just put in storage, or just keep it somewhere, just in case you want to go back to two wiper blades again. So anyways, you put this driver's side one on here, and you'll notice that there are splines on there, and so you can put the wiper arm on there at an angle, like on its resting position, like how I have it, and put the nut on there and bolt it up, get it nice and tight, and it'll look like this. You can angle it however you want. I angle like that because it covers most of the windshield, and I've had it like that for at least a year or two now. I bought a longer wiper blade so it'll look a little bit better, like it was from factory. Like if you've seen the old Mercedes, the 90s ones, you'll notice that they have one single wiper blade that is just ridiculously long. I think that one's a 26 or 28 inch, whatever, one of the longest ones I could find at the auto parts store. And you bolt it up, and that's pretty much it. You leave the driver's side one missing, and there you have it, just a single wiper on an E36. I'll turn it on so you guys can see how much it wipes. This varies depending on how far up you angle the wiper blade. That's really up to you. And there you have it. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy to do. If you have any issues or concerns, or if you're having trouble doing it, feel free to comment below and I'll see what I could do to help you. But hopefully this sort of tutorial slash guide helped in one way or another. So, but there you have it.